Hi, fourth grade families. For those of you that don't know, I am Mr. Brewer, one of the fourth grade teachers, and this is Maxwell. For those of you that don't know, my wife is a emergency nurse at Paoli Hospital, and as you can see behind me, we thought it would be a great idea to do a kindness project. And what we were thinking was that each student or family, if you wanted to do it together, would make either would take a picture, it could be with a sign that says we support nurses or we're thinking of you, or something that's a positive message to the nurses and doctors at Paoli Hospital. And if you did a video clip, we would like you to make it maybe under 10 to 15 seconds. That way we can put all of the video clips and the pictures in an iMovie, and my wife can then distribute that video to the Paoli Hospital. So we are going to share a Google album that you can just upload your video or picture to, and that way you don't have to send it to your teacher and then we have to upload it again, so it takes away one step. Of course, if you have trouble, you can send the picture or video to your teacher and they can upload it, but to make it easier, we'll send out a link excuse me, that makes it easier for all of us. So this is not required by any means, but we thought that during the day tomorrow, if you wanted to, that would be Thursday, you could do something that would brighten the nurses and doctors' lives up. We're hoping to have all of the submissions in by around 4 o'clock tomorrow. That way we can get the video to the doctors and nurses by Friday morning and distribute it out. So that is all. If you have a question or anything, you can contact your teacher and ask them what you need. So thank you all, and keep doing what you're doing. Enjoy.